Hi everybody, happy Sunday fun day. We are Mary and Glen's Adventure. I just wanted to come in and say hello. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. We just posted a lot of videos about Margaritaville at sea. Islander going out of Tampa. We've been there 4 times. 3 of the times was on the Paradise out of West Palm, and here are some pictures. We are on Lanai right now, but I just wanted to say thank you for clicking, and anybody that has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm getting a lot of watch time, but not any subscriptions lately. So if you could do that, we would really appreciate it. It helps our channel out a lot. So on Tuesday at 7 a.m. I am going to be posting a show video of all the shows that we went to. I've posted on food, entertainment, the room tour. Oh, there's Miss Gracie Joe. So then, I think I've posted 9 videos so far. So my next video after Tuesday, I'm going to put all of them together. So it will be an extra long video, which will be exciting for us to always remember. But I will be telling you what we loved and what we didn't love. So stay tuned. Okay, we'll see you then. If you haven't subscribed or liked, please do. Thank you. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye.